Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. In this video, we will solve the third challenge of AppExchange Basics module of Admin Intermediate. The name of the challenge is Install AppExchange Packages Also Like a Superhero. Let's move to the challenge. So in this challenge, we need to install the Salesforce Adoption Dashboards package in our Trailhead playground. And we need to install it for the admins only. So let's move to the org and install this package. So in the org, we are going to the app launcher, and in the app launcher, we are going to click on View All Link. So this dialog box will open, and here we are going to click on Visit AppExchange button. This will open the AppExchange homepage for us, and here we are going to copy the name of the package which we need to install, and we are going to search it into the Search AppExchange bar. So here is the package, Salesforce Adoption Dashboard package. We are going to click on it, and we are going to click on Get It Now. So we need to log into the AppExchange in order to install this package. So let's click on Open Login screen. So as we are already logged into our org, it will take the credentials from there and log ourselves into this AppExchange. So yes, we are logged into the AppExchange. Now there are two options for us: install in this org or install in a sandbox org. Where we are going to install it in the install in this org. So we are going to click on this install here. So here we are going to fill some information like first name, email address and all. So let's fill this information. First name is binary, last name let's say programming, email we are going to put it binary programming channel @gmail.com, and country we are going to put as India, and company let's say binary programming. So the state is disabled for us. Now we are going to click on I have read the conditions and all, and we are going to click on confirm and install. So this will install the package for us. So install Salesforce adoption dashboards. What if existing component name conflicts with one in this package? So we are going to click on do not install in that case, and we are going to install for the admins only. So let's click on install. So this will install, and this is the message which is appearing from my screen: installing grantee access to admins only. So let's wait for some time. So yes, the installation got completed it, and we are going to click on done. So this is done. We have installed the packages. Let's check whether we have done it correct or not. We're going to click on check challenge to earn 500 points. So yes, we have completed this challenge as well as this module. See you guys in the next video with a new challenge. Thank you.